Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Music and Arts 8, Lesson 2, Week 3 and 4 of DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Let's begin. Learning competencies and learning objectives. Content. Activating prior knowledge, short review. Activity, Asian festivals and productions. Objectives. Instructions. Part A, Asian festivals and their countries. Part B, Guide questions. Establishing lesson purpose. Lesson purpose. Activity, Video analysis, Mapeh Festival, Bali, Indonesia. Objectives. Instructions. Watch this video. Video number 1, Mapeh, the ritual that shuts down Bali.
With offerings, families gather to pray and cleanse. And then come the monsters. Ogo Ogo, towering demons that fill the streets. They march through villages by torchlight and drumbeat.
Video analysis table. Reflection questions. Establishing lesson purpose, unlocking content vocabulary. Vocabulary terms. Number 1, Zoroastrianism. Number 2, Shinto. Number 3, Silk Roads. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Topic, famous Asian festivals and their cultural significance. Number 1, Yuan Shao Festival, China. For further understanding, watch this video. Video number 1, Yuan Shao Festival. Number 2, Matsuri, Japan. Shinton symbols and their meanings. Torii. Shimenawa. Sheed. Sakari. Tomo. Shinkyo. Key traditions. Shrine festivals. Bon Odori. Kagura dance. Makoshi processions. For further understanding, watch this video. Video number 2, Matsuri. Number 3, Nyepi, Bali, Indonesia. Watch this video. Video number 3, Nyepi, Day of Silence.
This day of silence and solemnity marks the start of the Balinese New Year. Local Hindus stay home and undergo self-reflection. Everything from ATMs to the airport is shut down, and no one.
Number 4, Holi, India. Watch this video. Video number 4, up close look at the colorful Holi festival. Summary. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Activity 1, Asian festivals and cultural symbols. Objectives. Instructions. Part A, identifying Shinto symbols. Part B, true or false. Part C, festival and activity identification. Part D, Exploring Asian Festivals. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.